Ever wondered why your plants are not thriving despite all the care and attention you're giving them? You're not alone. Even the greenest thumbs encounter common garden problems: pests munching on your precious petals, poor soil stifling growth, or incorrect watering drowning roots or leaving them parched. Recognizing these issues in your own garden can be a game changer. It's like becoming a plant doctor, diagnosing ailments before they take a toll. Identifying the problem is the first step to a healthier garden. Pests can be a real nuisance, but did you know that a simple solution can be found in your kitchen? Homemade remedies like vinegar and dish soap can deter pests effectively. Remember, regular pest checks are crucial. A pest-free garden is just a few steps away. Poor soil can stunt your plant's growth, but worry not. Improving soil quality is easier than you think. A few simple steps like adding compost, spreading mulch, and regular soil testing can make a world of difference. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. Watering your plants might seem straightforward, but did you know there's a right and a wrong way to do it? The secret lies in timing. Morning is best when evaporation is low. Be mindful, too much water can harm as much as too little. Proper watering is key to a thriving garden. And there you have it, quick fixes for common garden problems. From pest control to soil improvement and proper watering, these simple solutions can transform your garden. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way in maintaining a healthy garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!